on today's video, we are going to be taking a look once again at the Yay Games, the Superlauncher IDO that was on the September 6th and came out today on the 8th. So it did pretty well. As you can see, I participated. It was really quick. So it was a first come, first serve round, meaning that on the 6th, there was a specific time that you had to commit your BNB into. And it only lasted like a minute, so it was extremely fast. So hopefully everyone who wanted to get in got in on this one, and it's all good. So how it works for the vesting is you get 30% at launch, and I took that 30% and sold it for about $91. Yeah, I wish I could have sold it up here, but at the time I wasn't paying much attention, so that's okay. So maybe I could have sold it for 200, but that's okay. I sold it for 191. Anyway, so that's about it for today. It was just a quick video about Yay Games, great success, and yeah, thanks for watching.